Mad Badger TV will be brought to you in a different format. We'll have 3 parts.
The first part being features of the gun.
The second part will be tech and disassembly.
The third part will be shooting the gun and finding out how it works in the field.
Welcome to Mad Badger TV. This episode is brought to you by ASG,
Umarex,
and ASG blasters.
This gun features a metal lower, a metal slide and a polymer outer barrel. The grip here is also made of metal and feels very sturdy. The spring guide is made of metal, the slide release is made of metal, the selector switch is made of metal, and the safety catch is also made of metal. The grips on this gun are plastic but feature nice texturing. Starting at the rear of the gun, you have a single action hammer which needs to be pulled back or cocked and able to fire. The safety is at the very back of the gun. Push it down for safe or push it up for fire. Moving forward, if the selector is located in the very bottom position, it is 3-round burst. If you click it halfway in between the 1 dot and the 3 dot is full auto, and all the way up is single shot. The mag release is located on the left hand side of the gun, so this will only really be suitable for right-handed shooters.
This gun measured in at just under 10 inches. The overall height for this gun is 17.5 centimetres. The length of the inner barrel on this gun is 125 millimeters. The inner barrel diameter is 6.05 millimeters. The weight of this gun is 1.06 kgs. The unique features of this pistol is this flip down front grip to make it easier to keep your eyes on target when you have a full auto and it's jumping back. Another unique feature on this gun is the 3 selector modes. Bottom one 3-round burst, middle full auto, top single shot. The unique feature on this gun is the ported outer barrel that extends to about 1 inch out of the front.
This gun disassembles the way the real steel does. First, you pull back the hammer, then you push this button right here. Then you pull down this little lever. The slide will spring forward a little bit, then you can just pull it off. From here you can access your spring guide, your feed nozzle, your valves, anything else to do with the internals. To put this back on, you do the reverse, but you find this notch located here. Push that down to allow that to slide past. That clears that. From there, you push that lever around back into the position it was to start off with, then release the slide.
If you like what you saw, subscribe for more.
That's a write-up!